Hello and welcome back. Last week, we ended the week with $511 balance and 104% profit. We had 33 trades closed last week, which was amazing, considering our target is, 15? We had one trade left open over the weekend. That guy right there. But, and look at this. This was Friday. Oh, my goodness. I don't remember how many trades that was. I'm not going to count it now, but it was a lot. Probably, I think that was the most that we had for the week, too. So now Monday, Monday kind of sucked because we closed the one from Friday, and we closed one more so that we didn't meet our quota. But we had 3 open on Monday that carried over to Tuesday. Well, I think Tuesday. Right, so Monday we closed 2 trades. We left 3 open. We had 105% gains from the start. Balance of $514, up $1 from Friday. All right, let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday, we waited most of the day to close that basket. But we still ended up with 6 trades closed on Tuesday, which got us to 107% gains and a balance of $519, which is up $5 from Monday. Hey, $5, I'll take it, right? Actually, $5 is a really good day. Let's go to Wednesday. These days so far are pretty ordinary looking. Wednesday, okay, we closed 6 trades again. I like this one. This one on Tuesday, it closed right before. If it had stayed open for another hour, that would have had to call that a Wednesday trade. But Wednesday, the first third of the day was nothing, like just nothing. And then this thing just fell off a cliff, which was pretty cool. So Wednesday, we closed 6 trades. Okay, we left 1, 2 open. 1, 2. We left 2 open. That was kind of elusive there. I almost didn't notice it. And yeah, it was a big move, but it was a pretty typical kind of trading day, although we did close 6 trades, which is double the quota. So now we've got 6 trades closed, 2 left open. We're at 111% gains from the start, with a balance of $528, up $9 from Tuesday, which, hey, $9, man. That's good. And we had 2 left open. Let's see what Thursday looks like. So Thursday, we closed that basket of 2 pretty early in the day. And then we went on to close 6 more. So we closed a total of 8 trades on Thursday, which is amazing. Okay, but look at this. Look at this. So, okay, Wednesday we had this drop off a cliff sort of thing here. But look at Thursday. You can see the volatility is increasing. It starts, up, down, further, up, even further, right? When you have these peaks going higher than the previous peak, in this case that wasn't the case, but inevitably it ended up that way. And when you have the bottoms going lower than the previous bottoms in the same run, that's when you know that the volatility is increasing, when the liquidity is leaving the market. So we had, what did I say? Thursday we had 8 trades closed. Let me make sure. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 left open for Friday. And that put us at 114% gains from the start. A balance of $536, which is up $8 from Wednesday. So we're looking pretty good. Friday absolutely sucked. Friday, not only did we not close the 2 trades from Thursday, but we opened the new one that stayed open over the weekend. So a big fat 0 for Friday. But hopefully next week that basket will close and we'll be in much better shape. Anyway, so Friday, we were at 114%. Thursday, we're still at 114% Friday. So big fat zero. So Friday sucked, but the rest of the week totally made up for it. Let's look at the Myfxbook. Okay, so it's actually pretty boring looking here. Like, if you look at the last few days. So there's the 11th. Wait, the 11th. Right? 12, 13, 14. Now these numbers are kind of off, the percentages. If we look at the balance, let's see. Let's go to the 11th. I see 514, 519. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. What was it? Oh, and there was nothing on the 15th. But it wouldn't show anything for the 15th because there were no closed trades. So the 14th is the last thing that is showing. So let's go down here and look at this mess. Oh, we have data for January now. So that's kind of exciting. All right, so 18% up over December's close. And we've got, 10 days left in the month? So we're about a third of the month left. So we're looking at, if we continue with this level of performance, we're looking at maybe 27% over December in January, which will be really amazing. And if you look at the previous months, here's December 23, October 26, September 24. So 27 is not that much of a stretch, even though it is more than all the previous months. Or we could end up like this mess here and be down for the month, right? Depends on what happens. But I'm hoping that we continue in that pattern and end up with a nice big fat, 27% gains for the month. All right, let's go back to the Forex account. Okay. With the exception of this volatility here, right? Like, it was a pretty typical week. Wednesday was really trendy. Tuesday was kind of trendy. There was some volatility Tuesday. Let's look at Tuesday. But overall, it was kind of trendy. It was just that we were stuck in this basket. And so we didn't get to take full advantage of that uptrend when it started. All right. And Friday was just a whole lot of nothing. So there wasn't anything really spectacular that happened, but we did get a lot of trading activity. We got a lot of trades closed. So I'm going to call it good, even though we had one sucky day. Well, that's not true, because Monday sucked too, because we only had 2 closed trades on Monday. So really, all of the real gains that we got was between Tuesday and Thursday. So 22 trades. Yeah, 22 trades, and most of which happened between Tuesday and Thursday. So that's crazy, right? That's just awesome. All right, so we looked at the Myfxbook. We've gone over this stuff. Before I finish up here, I just wanted to say to you guys, thanks for your support, especially my ZuluTrade followers. You guys have been patiently waiting for the last 3 weeks for me to turn the signal back on. I turned it off the day before Christmas, and it's been off until, I think it was Saturday that I turned it back on. So 3 weeks that my followers have been waiting on ZuluTrade for me to turn the signal back on. But the volatility was just so crazy for those 3 weeks that it was like I didn't want to put anybody at risk, right? And okay, some of my followers left and went on, I'm guessing, to find somebody who was actively trading. And there's probably a good chance they got wrecked because like I said, the majority of people, when they get wrecked, it's in January. It's either like the end of December, January, and sometimes February. That's the majority of the times when that happens. So I decided to play it safe. I'm playing with other people's money. I don't want to take chances. What can I say? Also, use the link in the description below. If you're not following me on ZuluTrade and you're interested in doing so, that'll take you to ZuluTrade, where you can sign up and they'll give you instructions on how to set up your MT4. You can copy my trades onto your MT4 platform. So at no time do I have access to any of your money. You have full control of your money. ZuluTrade handles somehow, I don't know how it is, it's all magic to me, right? You make some profits, they take a portion of that and they pay it to me as a performance fee or commission or however they structure it. Like I said, it's all magic to me. I know I make you money and a tiny bit of that money goes to me. That's the bottom line. And that money goes to my business, and the business is basically to entertain, educate, and empower people. That's our threefold mission. And by me helping you earn more money, that's one of the three, that fulfills one of the three missions, right? That empowers you. If you have more money, you have more power, right? By watching these videos, you become, well, you might even be entertained, but you definitely get educated. If you're not so familiar with Forex and how the Forex markets work, you know, and how a full-time live trader does his thing, then you're being educated. So that's another part of the mission, right? So I may be fulfilling all three parts of the mission just from these videos and from you following me on ZuluTrade, which makes me happy because that's basically my purpose, my goal, right, is to fulfill that threefold mission. All right, so let's summarize. We started the week with $511 and 104% profit. We ended the week with $536 and 114% profit. That's a $25 gain, which represents 4.8% profit week over week. 22 trades closed for the week. Now that doesn't seem like very high, but when you consider that there was nothing, I think we had one on Monday and none on Friday. That was 3 days to close 22 trades, basically. Okay, that's amazing. That's really cool. All right, so it was an amazing trading week, and then it ended kind of sucky. But hey, next week we'll have a basket to close, and then hopefully we'll have a nice, lots of trading activity with no long delays, blah, blah, blah. So that's all I've got. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.